will be inviting Barrister Hannibal Waifo, who, as Emeka has introduced before, the president of Southeast South Professionals. So I think Barrister Hannibal, can you please take the floor now? Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Emeka Goju. I want to thank you for your introduction. The Southeast South is a very, very important component of Nigeria and a very, very big, even bigger component of the Southeast South professionals of Nigeria. When we talk in terms of our agenda, that says 2023, which means the development agenda for the Southeast South. Briefly, I want to say that the issue, the Southeast South professional of Nigeria is an advocacy group, and we began our journey long ago, realizing the need for the Southeast and the South to cooperate because of proximity, because of intermarriage, culture, so many similarities between Southeast and South. In Calabar, we began the journey arising from the South professionals. We decided to join it together, the Southeast professionals, South professionals, with the likes of Emeka Ogwoju, and our founding president, Mr. Emmanuel Ejewere, and several other members, George Etomi, Ambassador Joe Keshi, so many of our people who began this journey to ensure that there's a cooperation between the South. And at the end of the day, we formed the CESP, which began with, which we call CESP. CESP means Southeast South Professionals of Nigeria. Starting with Emmanuel Ejewere, I mentioned, followed by leader Emeka Ogwoju, who handed over to Mr. Denzi Kentebe. I'm the current president of the Southeast South Professionals. Like I said, the idea is to ensure that there's a common agenda, economic, social, and cultural. Political, yes, because of the proximity between both. And that's the idea for Agenda 2035. So I believe that with the proximity of both both component states of this Southeast, our belief is that we could have common services, common economic development, and common agenda in order to enhance our development as done in every other state. We have the European Union now. We even have commonwealth of states like in the US, in Canada, you have different states, different parts of regions coming together to form a commonwealth that has developed so fast, overthrown world economies, overthrown political ideologies, and have brought prosperity and wealth to the country. So the Southeast will move on. We are not a stricter sense of a political group. We are an advocacy group. And we believe that with the formation of groups like Undigo, the Benin National Congress, the PANDEF, so many organizations across the Southeast South, like Undigo, like what has happened in the Southwest, and even in the North, we should have a common agenda. Although we are all professionals, but we believe that groups like Undigo should also have similar cooperation, that you have a common goal with other organizations, the Robo Union, the Security Union, the Benin Congress, the BPOs, the Calabar. We need to now get that on to ensure that the Southeast and the South have a common agenda where we can draw a common rope in order to ensure the prosperity of these regions. I want to thank the organizers of this conference. But quite frankly, my initial comment here is that Undigbo is doing so well. And I want to commend the leadership of Nina Nwudo, our leader and our father, for what he's been doing. And I continue to pray for him for long life and prosperity for him. He's a great leader, one of the most talented in our times. And I pray for you and your family and the entire Undigbo race, that God Almighty will continue to protect you as we move forward. But we need you to move a little further. We need to get these groups to the Undigbo to invite these groups. We need to cement our relationship, and it will enhance the dreams of these component groups, and it will better the lot of CESP, even when we're not a political agenda. So thank you so much. I believe that's my first shot.
Okay, thank you very much, Hannibal. Thank you for that, submission you've made. And I think your submission is very well understood that we require a common agenda, and we should also work for a common front.